Does the Ageas Federal Life Advantage Plus plan truly give you an advantage in wealth creation, or does it just offer conservative, low growth returns? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where they help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked participating individual life savings insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are there are maturity boosters that enhance your overall savings, and you get bonuses as and when declared to steadily grow your corpus, and there is flexibility with policy term and premium payment options to match your financial goals, and you also get life cover to safeguard your family's financial future. And there are tax benefits on premiums paid and payouts received as per the prevailing tax laws. And there are benefits like maturity benefit, maturity booster, bonuses, and death benefit. And there are some advantages like premium discounts which are available on policies with a higher sum assured, and you have the option to avail a loan of up to 85% of your surrender value. There are simple reversionary bonuses which starts accruing from the end of the first policy year. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages, like since this plan dependent on bonuses, the final benefits are not fully guaranteed. The potential returns are also comparatively lower than other investment avenues, and the life cover provided from this plan may be insufficient to fully secure your family's financial needs. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis to help us understand and to make an informed decision. So here we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So for example purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male opts for a 5 lakh sum assured with a 20-year policy term and a 15-year premium payment term. So he pays an annual premium of 38,861 rupees. At maturity, he receives payouts along with bonuses when declared. So the brochure here presents two scenarios. Just for example purpose, these are not guaranteed since they depend on the future performance of the policy. So at 4% return, the projected maturity value is 7.83 lakhs, giving an IRR of just 2.27% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than most savings account. So at 8% return, projected maturity value is 12.08 lakhs, translating to an IRR of 5.55% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is still below the returns of a bank fixed deposit. Clearly, the returns are modest. The life cover of 5 lakhs is also insufficient to secure your family's financial needs. From both an insurance and investment standpoint, this policy under-delivers. The protection offered is minimal, and the investment potential is unlikely to help you achieve long-term financial goals. So this policy may not be a suitable option for goal-based investors seeking meaningful returns and adequate life cover. So as this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us now explore an alternative strategy in this comparative analysis, where we are going to do a smarter approach in which we are going to invest in separately insurance and investment, allowing the same premium to be used far more efficiently. So for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a 5 lakh sum assured, which cost us 3,400 rupees per year for a 20-year term with a 10-year premium payment term. So this leaves us with 35,461 rupees per year, which is available for investment during the first 10 years, offering flexibility based on your risk appetite. So since the premium paying term in the earlier example was for 15 years, you also gain the benefit of investing the full premium amount for the next 5 years. So here, if you want a conservative approach, you can invest in PPF. So investing in the public provident fund can yield a maturity value of 13.84 lakhs with an IRR of 6.57%. But if you want a growth oriented approach, you can invest it through equity mutual fund. So investing the surplus in an equity mutual fund over 20 years can grow the corpus to 26.51 lakhs, which is the pre-tax value. After adjusting for capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value is 24.04 lakhs, delivering an IRR of 10.71%. This alternate approach ensures adequate protection through a term plan and inflation beating returns via disciplined investments. In comparison, this policy provides neither robust life cover nor attractive investment growth, making it an unsuitable choice for long-term wealth creation. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Ageas Federal Life Advantage Plus plan worth it or not? So this is a traditional life insurance policy designed to encourage disciplined savings. However, it falls short in delivering meaningful results. Over time, inflation erodes the value of money, and since this plan does not generate inflation beating returns, you risk falling short of your target corp. Moreover, the sum assured is relatively low, making it inadequate from a protection standpoint. So given its limited savings potential and insufficient life cover, the plan offers little value to investors. Depending on traditional bundle policies, this may slow down your financial progress and even put your future goals at risk, and it also has a high agent commission. A more effective approach is to secure your family's future with a pure term insurance plan, so you can invest the surplus funds separately aligned with your financial goals. So you can also diversify across asset classes to build a balanced and resilient portfolio.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.